Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do an install video of my Sissy Bar. It's the Motherwell Sissy Bar. I got it on Get Lowered. It's going to be a real simple install, but I really want to give you a look of a tall Sissy Bar on this bike. My old one was, I think, 18 inches on my Sportster. This is actually 27 inches, so it's going to be significantly higher. It's going to be a simple install, so I'm not going to really go too in depth on it. Basically, the first thing I'm going to do is take off these reflectors. I have a video already out there on the easiest way to take off reflectors. So jump over and watch that if you're unsure how to remove adhesives from your bike. But yeah, let's start this thing up. Alright guys, I've got the reflectors off. The next step is to take these bolts out. There's two on each side. These ones are going to use a Torx bolt. This is a T45. So we'll take these out and then we'll actually get the Sissy Bar on. That's it guys. I told you this is a really simple install. Basically, like I said, we're pulling off the reflectors, taking out the bolts, and putting this thing on, putting the new bolts in. That's really it. Very simple. Wanted to give you guys a look of it though. It's about on par with the top of your handlebars. I really like the way this looks. I like the height. It's going to be a nice backrest if I have a passenger on here. It's going to be really useful with my exfil bag. I don't like saddlebags that much, but I really do like having some sort of storage, so this will complete that, being able to strap something to it. I'll get a shot in the front so you can see what the profile looks like, but yeah, if you guys like this kind of content, I know this is really simple, but a like would be great, a subscription would be fantastic. I'll be doing some more in-depth stuff in the future, like when I do stage one, you know, both the tuning and the install. So that's really it. Ride safe, dudes.